Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious egg salad. First, you'll need to hard-boil 6 to 8 large eggs. Once they're cooked, immediately transfer them to an ice bath to stop the cooking process and make them easier to peel. After they've cooled completely, carefully peel the eggs, ensuring no shell fragments remain. This initial step is crucial for a smooth and enjoyable egg salad experience. Now that your eggs are peeled, it's time to prepare the mixture. Finely chop the hard-boiled eggs into small, consistent pieces. Next, in a medium bowl, combine the chopped eggs with 1/4 cup of your favorite mayonnaise. Then, add 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard for a tangy kick, along with a pinch of salt and black pepper to taste. Mix everything gently until just combined. To perfect your egg salad, taste and adjust the seasonings as needed. You might want to add a little more salt, pepper, or even a dash of paprika for color and a subtle smoky flavor. Gently fold all the ingredients together until they are evenly distributed. For the best taste and texture, cover the bowl and chill your egg salad in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. You can easily customize your egg salad with various additions. For a delightful crunch, try adding 2 tablespoons of finely chopped celery. Fresh herbs like dill or chives also elevate the flavor profile significantly. Feel free to experiment with a dash of curry powder for an unexpected twist. Remember to check the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade, easy egg salad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.